Example 3.27. A metallic rod of linear density is 0.25 kilogram per meter is lying horizontally on a smooth inclined plane which makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal. This rod is not allowed to slide down by flowing a current through it. When a magnetic field of a strength of 0.25 Tesla is acting on it in the vertical direction. Calculate the electric current flowing in the rod to keep it stationary. Now, what is given in the problem here is a metallic rod of linear density is given. That is, the linear density of the rod is given. So, what is meant by linear density? Linear density is mass per unit length. Linear density is equal to what? Mass per unit length. So, this value is given by as 0.25 kilogram per meter. Is lying horizontally on a smooth inclined plane. Now imagine this is a what? Metallic rod of linear density. It is lying on a smooth inclined plane and it is making an angle what? 45 degree. This is how it is. The rod is not allowed to slide down by flowing current through it. So when a current is applied, the rod is not allowed to flowing. It is having a magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla acting in the vertical direction. So B is equal to how much? 0.25 Tesla. So this 0.25 Tesla is acting in the vertical direction. So this is the direction. Now what will act downwards? Downwards what will act? The downward force mg will act. Okay. The downward force what will act? Mg will act. So the downward force can be resolved into two components as vertical component and horizontal component. As vertical component and horizontal component. Now the vertical component can be written here as mg sin theta. Okay. Horizontal component I am not drawing here. Okay. And here the magnetic force will act in this direction. The magnetic force will act in this direction like this. So this angle is 45. Therefore this angle is also what? 45. So what is the horizontal component of magnetic force? The horizontal component of magnetic force is, this is BIL cos theta. This is your direction for the magnetic force, BIL. Okay. So the current I is flowing through the metallic rod. The direction of the electric current is into the paper. The direction of the electric current is into the paper. The direction of the magnetic force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. It is given by which rule? Fleming's left hand rule. Now, the metallic rod should not slide down. So, what is the current allowed to flow in order to be what? The metallic rod to be kept stationary. Okay. So, at equilibrium, these two forces are equal. That is mg sin theta is equal to BIL cos theta. Now what is your theta? Theta is 45 degree. Now you want what? I is equal to mg sin theta by BL cos theta. Okay. So this can be written as I is equal to m by L into G by B cos theta by sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. Now we can substitute the value. M by V value we know 0.25 into G value is 9.8. Tan 45 into tan 45 degrees divided by B value is 0.25. Tan 45 you know that is how much? 1. That is how much? 1. Okay. Now here 0.25 and 0.25 will get cancelled. Then what is the value here? This is 1. So it is 9.8 ampere. So the how much current we have to supply to make the rod stationary is how much? 9.8 ampere of current we have to supply in order to make the rod as what? Stationary.